I bought a cage. And why to buy a cage, you know? Well, actually this is more for film work, but there are some benefits for still photography too, and we will come to that. So if you are into still photography and maybe you're also doing film work like I am, or video work, film work, video, probably video, then you might be interested in this a bit. And I chose to go for the SmallRig. I will put the link down in the description to this one if you're interested. And I'm not sponsored. I paid with my own money, and I paid this much for this cage. What we have here? Well, we have a top handle, which is very nice. And one of the best things I would say is that you get this R5C plate, so you can attach it to your tripod. So this extra piece, if you take this off, you will see that this extra piece you can add to this cage like this, and then you can add, if you have like Manfrotto or Sachtler or something, then you can just attach that plate like a Manfrotto plate. Then you have this extension. But this one we don't need now, because I have R5C cube head. So I just put this like that, and then click. There we are. The R5C cube, you know, can. It's very nice. Ball head, extremely expensive. Not worth it, by the way. But it's cool. It's nice when you're shooting products and you want to adjust just 1 millimeter at the time. But this is very nice to have this cage directly on coffee machine. Thanks for the coffee. So this is very nice that on the cage there is a R5C mounting thing going on, you know. One other great thing is that you have this key here, so tool, so we can take off this side thing here going on. This is like an extra strap holder thing. So you take this off, and then we also have like this one. It will go into the camera. There is a hole here, and it will. So we just do like this and make sure that this small pin goes into under the camera. Then it's secured down there, and then we put this back into the strap holder thing, you know. That's how you lock this cage on to the camera. And then we screw this in with a key tool like that. And also we can screw it in down here like that. Very secure down here. You also have extra pin going into the camera body, and also on this side it's very, very secure. One thing, I wonder why they did this SmallRig. On this side it's not that, there's a bit of wiggle, and I wish they did the same thing like they did on this side. You know, would be very simple just to add one more here on this side, but they did not. Maybe they think it was enough with 1, two, but I would love to have a third one over there on this side, of course. So what else? Now we have the cage on, and this is the handle. You know, you can take this off if you're not filming. This is more for filming, you know, but this we can take off very easily if we're shooting still photography, you know, still photos. On the top here we have a cold shoe for a microphone, maybe to attach into the microphone jack there. And on this handle there is also cold shoe. You can attach stuff here, and also many mounting holes for monitors and so on. And what else? It's very, very nice to hold. And the most important thing with a cage, I think, is that you have access to everything, you know, like the battery that you don't have to take it off to change the battery, of course. And you can flip up the screen. And this is also a very nice thing, that you have this cable protector. So this can be for both still photography, but mainly it's for when you're filming, because the Canon made a huge mistake by making a HDMI connector instead of a big one. So you need to attach that. I think I have a cable somewhere. I just ordered a cable, micro, I think it's called micro HDMI to a regular. So to a monitor, you know. And then you do it like this. You take this cable protector and you screw it onto the cage. And then we have these two screws, and they're very, very clever screws, I would say, because the more you screw it on in, the tighter this small blocks tightens the cable. And then I put it in like that. Now it's kind of loose, but when I start to screw this in, it will tighten the cable down so it will not fall out. Okay, I bought another cable. The power goes down very, very fast because it's a regular, this LP batteries, you know, and it lasts for a few seconds. So then I bought a cable, another cable. I bought this one, HDMI micro to a regular one, so I can put it into my screen. I will have this handle here, and then I have a screen on top here, and then I just attach this HDMI cable so I can have a bigger view, and I can also transfer the material, the clips, to SSD drive on this monitor. It's like a recorder. And then I bought this one. This will go also here. So I will attach it into the USB Type-C. So you take this tool that you have under in the cage, and then you just screw this down, and they will be attached extremely hard. They will not go anywhere. I can probably hold it like this. So there you have the cables, extremely tight and nice. And then must not forget to put back this tool so you don't lose it. So that one goes to the monitor recorder, and this one goes to external power, so we can film for a long time. We don't have to care about the battery. So this is one solution, it's like an Anchor big power bank, and then you just attached it to this cable, and now you see it's on external power. And it's very funny, you buy this expensive camera and you think now we can go, but you know, you need converter so you can use your old EF lenses. You need to have extremely expensive cards. There is no card in. Okay, where's that card? By the way, talking about cards, then you also need to buy card reader for this CF Express. You know, it never ends. I wonder what the expensive card is. Did I lose it? It's not in here. Why did I? Isn't it? Why isn't it here? Oh, it's not. Where is the card? Can't find the CF Express card. Okay, hopefully I will find it somewhere. I wonder where it can be. Why did I took it out? So that's the cage, the SmallRig cage. Very nice, very nice. But it's more for video work, like I said. But when you're shooting tethered, so the cage mostly for film work, but you know, you can use it when you're shooting still photos. And this cable protector is very good. I think we take this tool and then we tighten this down. It's like squeezing this cable. It's super tight now. So, you know, instead of using, you know, buy something very expensive, then you can just buy this cage. Well, isn't that expensive? Yes, it is. But then you have a cage, and this will be included. So from now on, when I shoot still photos with this camera, I will always have the cage on, and I will use this one as the cable protector, so it will not, you know, fly out. Okay, there we are. A short video about the cage for the Canon R5C and the cable protector. Yes. Now I need to go and find the CF Express card. Cheers. Oh, by the way, remember, see you next time.